Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to act now, open messages, tap the group header, and inspect participants. You need to confirm blue bubbles only. That tells you it's an iMessage group and you can leave. Once you see everyone is on iMessage, scroll to the bottom of the group details to find the leave option. If any participant shows a green bubble, make note. You can't leave that mixed SMS/iMessage group, so plan to mute instead, or ask the organizer to start a new iMessage-only thread. Once done confirming it's iMessage-only, locate Leave this conversation in the group details and tap it. You'll be asked to confirm. Agree and iMessage removes you from future messages. This stops notifications and prevents further group replies from reaching you. Make sure there are at least 4 total members originally. If the option is grayed out, it may be due to group size or device settings. If you can't leave, try muting or ask someone in the group to create a new iMessage thread without you. After leaving, double-check you no longer receive messages and that your name no longer appears in the group list. If leaving failed, immediately use hide alerts to stop notifications while you resolve it. Ask the group creator to remove you or to start a fresh iMessage-only group. That's the cleanest fix. If options are missing, restart messages and update iOS. Sometimes interface features are hidden by outdated software. One troubleshooting tip: sign out of your Apple ID in Message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.